So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to dual boot Atlas OS with 10, 11 or even 7. So the prerequisites are you need these Atlas OS ISO downloaded and Ruffles installed. So links for these both are in the link description of the video. And now once both have been downloaded, you can open Ruffles, and once that is opened, you can drag and drop the ISO, and you'll be needing a 8 GB pen drive stick. And as you can see, it is the pen drive right here, device drive E 8 GB. So now once everything is done, you can click on start. Now all data on the device will be destroyed. Yes. So your pen drive will be entirely formatted, so click OK. While this process happens, we can shrink our hard drive or SSD wherever we want to install it. Now I'm gonna shrink my C drive, so you can right click on this C drive and click on shrink. Wait for this to happen, it's gonna take some time. So now once it shows you the size, I can be shrinking 43 GB right now, so I will be shrinking 40 GB in total. Now click on shrink. Wait for your drive to get shrinked into true. And well, the 40 GB has been shrinked. You can close this and wait for your ISO to get flashed successfully. Now once it says ready, we can close this, can close this, can close everything. Now you will have to restart your PC by clicking on restart, and keep on pressing F2 to reboot your laptop into BIOS or any other key provided by your manufacturer. Keep on pressing it until your laptop boots into BIOS. So well, my BIOS has booted. So now you can press F8 so that you can see your boot menu, and now select SanDisk. That is my pen drive right now, so we'll be booting into that. And after a few minutes, you'll be able to see the Windows setup. So wait until that. Now it's gonna show you the license agreement, so we can click on accept and next. And here's the main important part. So it's gonna show you many things like this, and remember the drive you just shrinked. Remember, so I had shrinked 40 GB, which is shown as 39 right here. So we will be clicking that and click on format. So I mean, yeah, it's already unallocated and we don't need to format it. So now just click on next. It's gonna install Windows and it's gonna take some time, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So patiently wait until that. So now once this screen is shown, you can wait for it to get restarted automatically in 10 seconds, or you can manually restart it right here. So now this thing took me 2 to 5 minutes, so you need to wait for 5 minutes for this to happen. And now your laptop will automatically reboot into the Atlas OS, or you need to do some setup. Let's wait for that to happen. So now you're gonna get these two screens and it went. So I'm gonna explain you what that is. So I previously had Windows 11, and since there are two Windows installed, you'll get a screen like that to ask which Windows you want to boot to. So I clicked on Windows 10. So Atlas OS is based on Windows 10, so I clicked on that, and now it's gonna automatically reboot into Atlas OS Windows 10. As you can see, getting devices ready. Let's wait for that. The laptop is gonna reboot several times, so please do not panic. Well, we have arrived with the setup screen, so let me just do a quick setup for this. So well, we have put it into Atlas OS, and this is how it's gonna look like. So it's pretty smoother than the Windows 10 or the 11 I've used before. So this is gonna take some time. It's installing something, so we need to wait for that to happen. Do not close this window and just wait for a moment. So we will be getting these drivers in this Atlas OS folder. So in case you want to install drivers, you can install it from here. So install softwares, you're gonna get some things, and install drivers, you're gonna get NVIDIA, Intel, AMD, and other drivers. Configuration, there are many more like this. And troubleshooting, we have some more stuff. And there are Atlas wallpapers, documentation, and issues. You wouldn't be getting any browser pre-installed, so you'll need to be installing Chrome. That can be done. So if this video helped you on how to install Atlas OS, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.